All right, we're back out here getting to the practice hike through South Mountain in Arizona. Pretty treacherous, but we got a good breeze. Got two ahead of me, two behind me. Just getting ready. We're gonna do this again. 25 miles. Same day, day two. Guess we're a couple hours in by now. Still climbing to the top. You know you're high up, and that's the view down low. Let's go. At the top, finally on our way down.